Hey, welcome back to the channel. Went out on the island today expecting to try to get a few pictures of the eagle that's out on the island, and there's a couple of them that are out there. I went out there to try to get a couple of shots of them playing around today, but ended up finding this beautiful view. Wasn't expecting that out on the island today. It's one side of the island was crystal clear, as you can see on the right hand side, nice blue sky, but on the left side, on the river, Canadian side, it was just so much fog. It was hard to see from one end of the island to the other. So as you can see from this point of view, it's nice and clear. You can see the traffic nice and clear coming through. The trees on the right hand side are nice and clear, but you can see that mist on the left hand side. And we're going to pan across, back across, so you can see how it just covers a lot of the water. And it's just amazing the way that it just developed over the river like it did. It was a little bit surprising, but it was a beautiful view, as you can see. That's the Canadian side that you're looking at now. You can just see all of the fog on the water. I think the temperature got in the mid-30s today. So between the ice melting and the warmer temperatures, that's probably what created the fog, but it's just a beautiful view. And as you can see further down, it just totally drops down and just covers up everything. You can't even see the other part of the island, just a little silhouette of the trees in the background, but it's just a really nice view. I had a chance to get a couple of great shots of pictures and video. I'm using my Potensic Atom drone right now to capture this, so it's a beautiful view. Just wanted to get a few shots of it and see how it looks, and let you guys take a look at what we saw today on the island. This is Belle Isle in Detroit, and they're going to switch over to the beach side, so you can see where there's still a lot more ice on the water on the beach side. As you can see right there, there's plenty of ice still hanging out on the shallow part of the beach area, so it's quite a few people down there hanging out, just checking out the scene and just enjoying a nice day out, especially in this time of the year in February, where we usually be covered with a lot of snow and it's usually very cold. But we've got temperatures in the mid-30s, and it's supposed to be like that, close to 50 by the end of next week. So stay tuned. We'll have some more coming for you later. Hope you enjoyed this little piece, and thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for more.